This Water Pointe Realty Group property video is presented by Deborah Duval. Great opportunity in the desirable neighborhood of Snug Harbor. Located at the end of a cul-de-sac on a 0.77-acre lot, this house is ready for your design ideas. Good bones with a spacious floor plan offering plenty of room for family and friends. Completely updated kitchen with stainless appliances, granite countertops, center island, and additional room for a family hangout spot with a charming fireplace. The living room, kitchen, master bedroom and guest room all open out to the huge covered patio for entertaining and then out to the pool and private backyard with lots of tropical foliage. There is also a detached room perfect for an office or exercise studio meditation room overlooking the pool. Metal roof, new in 2011. Donâ? Miss your chance to live in Snug Harbor, with its tree-lined streets, perfect for quiet walks and bike rides to the beach. Enjoy the community marina, tennis courts, boat ramp and clubhouse, a perfect spot for get-togethers with neighbors, friends and family. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Duval at 772-283-3330.